QBTS is just gone, girl. It's gone, right? This thing, we've talked about it and talked about it. It gave the institutional buy. This thing's going to continue up. Congratulations. I gave two buy areas, this one and the all-time high anchored VWAP, which have both paid. Guys, we're going to see resistance in that red box due to market structure, and then it's just going to keep going. Just going to keep going. Let's check momentum. What do you know? We're on the daily. Look at that. Strong bullish daily momentum. So it's going to challenge into this zone for sure. IonQ also fantastic. Called this buy zone. IPO anchored VWAP. Run it to the all-time high. Buy the all-time high anchored VWAP. Run it up, and you're probably still in this trade plan. If you're in this trade plan to the all-time high, you bought it here, you need to be break even. So if you bought it, we'll call it 45 to 50, 54, 55, you need to be break even if you want to ride this up. Start locking in profit. And as usual, guys, if you have a trade plan or an entry on these and you need help, you know where to find me. Reach out. I'll be happy to give you my 2 cents on your trade plan with just another set of eyes to look at it. And, I might have some education that I can help you with. So QUBT right now is it never quite hit our buy zone, right? We talked about that in the past. It's turning. It did hit the all-time high anchored VWAP, but that's not an accident. It got smacked down there. Now it's going to try it again. You can see that we are in an uptrend since that turn, and I've projected where I think the golden cross institutional buy is going to be. That's when this 50 crosses at 200, and that's going to occur once price action gets above that all-time high, which will be a much cleaner buy signal, right? And then from that point, there's a chance to double 28 from 14 $15 to 28 to $30. So it's fine to wait on it. If you want to buy now and dabble in, sure, but the technical buy is below or above, and this is a strong trend upward right now. I would like to see more volume. You see, we just had a shift in momentum. We'll see what that momentum's like when it gets to here. You. No, really. No, really, you. Um, so hit our first buy zone, ran up at 50% into the money. You should have been break even. Probably got kicked out here. I gave the next buy zone last week, and look, it triggered. You only suffered a little bit of drawdown, and now you're in the money. As price lifts a little more, because we're targeting that all-time high anchored VWAP. So if it gets up above, let's call it 18 and a half, 19, then go break even. So the trade plan is paying out right now, and that all-time high is going to be significant resistance before we get back on explosive movement upward. But the thesis is good.